Hello, I am Gregory the Poor Typist, and as you can see, it's a very special time here at typepals.com. Yes, if you're not familiar with TypePals, we are an international group of people who enjoy exchanging letters and postcards using our typewriters. So if that interests you, feel free to join us at typepals.com/join. It is and always will be free. However, as you can see here, we have 82 people on this wheel of names that have very, very generously contributed in one way or another. And you are really what keeps this boat afloat. So thank you so much. As my small way of thanking you, I've mentioned before that we're going to have these monthly drawings. This is actually the September 2022 drawing. Running a little late, but better late than never. So, again, every month we're going to have these drawings, and the winner will get, a small package, small but glorious package of TypePals goodness. So, yeah, so good luck to everybody, and thank you again. You guys are absolutely amazing. And if you don't win this time, check it out next month. You'll be entered again. So thank you again, and good luck to everybody, and let's go. Excellent! Congratulations! Sarah Van Allen in the United States. Thank you so much. Yeah. You will be receiving a small but glorious package from typepals.com. So, thank you so much for contributing. And thank you to everyone else for contributing or even just participating in TypePals. You're an amazing group of people, the best on the internet, maybe the best in the world. So thank you so much for being a part of this. Thank you for watching, and congratulations again to Sarah Van Allen. I will see you next time. Thank you for watching.